So guys, another round of Express Entry invitation has just taken place on March 18th, 2021. The 10th draw invited about 5,000 candidates from the pool of candidates. More details regarding that draw in this particular video. Please be tuned till the end. My name is Sahil. So guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice in Brampton, Ontario. My office is there, but right now I'm traveling to India. So if you have to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen. Please make a note of my Indian number also if you have to get in touch with me during my trip of India. Otherwise, my WhatsApp number is the Canadian number. Guys, if you are watching me for the first time and you are on this channel for the first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that every time we talk about Canadian immigration, you are given a notification and you do not miss any updates. So guys, 18th of March 2021 brought in another invitation round that was held by IRCC, and this time just like the previous couple of rounds in the year 2021, it was only focused at Canadian experience class candidates. So just to give you a brief background, Canadian experience class is the category of people that have had experience in Canada so far. So essentially workers and students who get their work permits and then collect their Canadian experience class. So this draw invited 5,000 people with a score of over 449. They have all received an invitation to apply, or they will be receiving soon, and they will be given a timeline wherein they can upload the documents and then proceed their journey towards PR. Guys, this particular Canadian experience class cutoff was a lot higher than the previous cutoff, which was held on 11th February, which had a CRS score of only 75 as the cutoff. At that time, about 27,000 applicants were invited, and then if you look at the previous two draws as well, which happened on 17th March and the 8th of March, I'll just give you a brief description. So 17th March cutoff was only for PNP applicants, where the cutoff was 682. And if you look at the 8th March draw, about 739 was the cutoff, where only PNP candidates were invited. Now guys, so far 10 invitations have been, 10 rounds of invitation have been, we've been through all those rounds in the year 2021, and not even once the federal skilled worker candidates have been invited. So that means so far you must be either in the PNP category or in the Canadian experience class in order to be invited by this particular rounds that have happened so far. They've been taken place by IRCC. Guys, we're not sure what sort of a strategy IRCC has in mind, but this definitely takes me back to that particular statement that the Honorable Marco Mendocino, who's the Immigration Minister of Canada, made on his Twitter channel. He said that the projected intake for the year 2021 is about 400,000 candidates, almost close to that. And he mentioned, along with this reporting platform, the news reporting platform, they said that the 400,000 candidates are already there in Canada. Okay, so with that in mind, people have been sharing a couple of negative mindsets with regards to Canadian immigration, but then we are definitely hopeful because see, honestly, Canada cannot consume all of its candidates together at once, or at least we hope they do not. But we don't know what strategy they have in mind, but we're definitely hopeful that federal skilled workers will be invited soon. It is only an effect of COVID-19 that they want to get done with the Canadian experience class first, and then hope the travel restrictions get easier day by day, and then we should be seeing federal skilled workers coming up pretty soon to follow. Guys, I hope the news was helpful and provided much needed information regarding the draws. We will definitely bring in more information regarding the draws, but until then, please keep yourself safe. It was happy chatting with you, and we'll connect with you soon again. If you have to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen. Please feel free to book a consultation, and I would be more than happy to speak to you. Once again, we'll meet soon in Canada, and all the best.